Hey guys, it's Sunday. I am starting up another vlog. I just took the dog for a walk. I was shooting some content, getting some work done. I had a small little breakfast of like some sourdough toast, and then I went to the farmer's market that's super local to me, and I got some goodies. So I'm gonna do a little farmer's market haul, and then I have to head out because I'm meeting my boyfriend and some of our friends for brunch. So I got my absolute favorite bread. My friend put me onto this bread and I'm obsessed. I got some spinach, some berries, some more strawberries. I just had 2 of those and they're the actual best strawberries I've ever had in my life. Baby tomatoes, zucchini, cucumbers, and avocados. Hey guys, I've been home for a few hours. Why is this not focusing? And I changed into sweats. I was just like hanging around the house, did some cleaning. I did a lot of editing on my computer and like laptop work. Now I'm about to make some dinner. I'm making this quinoa from Trader Joe's. It's frozen, but it's like the best thing ever. I don't know why this is so good. And then I'm gonna make some teriyaki salmon. So I'll show you guys that when I'm done. So here we have our final meal. We have salmon with lemon juice, salt and pepper, some quinoa, and a salad with goat cheese, tomatoes, cucumbers, spinach, and my homemade balsamic dressing. Also ended up putting a ton of lemon in my water, which is just so refreshing and bomb. So I'm so excited to eat this. Little Dinky's here for Gossip Girl night. I'm vlogging today. And Dinky's here, and we're just having some tea. And these are random dark chocolates. And we're about to put on our show. I don't know why. Are you kidding me right now?
Yeah, I'm not there with you.
Dinky. They're besties. They're so cute. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. Mariana and I had such a lovely little cute night watching Gossip Girl. I just took a shower and I'm drinking my coffee. I have a casting this morning. It's at 11 and it's currently like 9 o'clock. So I have a little bit before I need to leave the house, like an hour and a half-ish. So I'm just gonna chill here, do some journaling, maybe do a little bit of work on my computer, get ready, and then head out. And then I have a TSA pre-check appointment, and then Frankie and I are doing groceries. So I think I will show you guys a grocery haul at the end of this vlog. And let's get on with our day. It's gonna be a good day. Okay guys, I just got ready. I'm just wearing a really simple outfit, just like Levi's, this vintage, what's it called, Harley jacket, a Skims tank, some cowboy boots, and that's it. Hey guys, I'm actually almost back. The casting went well. Anyways, I actually already left the casting. I'm at a red light. Oh, no I'm not. Oops. I really need a car mount for this freaking camera. But anyways, I'm almost home. I'm like 10 minutes away. Hi guys, this lighting is horrible, but we were just leaving Costco. Got a hot dog in hand, we're sharing, and a berry smoothie. And we are about to go to the second grocery store. We go to a few. The way that we do our groceries is kind of weird, but we get like a bunch of stuff. I mean, it's not weird. I mean, we're only 2 people. We get a bunch of stuff at Costco in bulk, like things we need, like chicken breast and salmon, and the light is green. And we get like a lot of frozen fruit here, peanut butter, baking goods, like, I don't know, spices, sauces, things like that, because it lasts us forever. And then I get some extra like produce and specialty things, either at Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, or the farmer's market. And then we also go to like a few other little grocery stores just to get like things that Frankie eats, like his rice packets and just like easy meals for him to have. So yeah, that's pretty much how we do it. But we're pulling up to the second grocery store right now, but I'll show you guys what we end up getting. Good morning guys, I am just making Frankie some breakfast. I'm making him some protein oats. I'm already in my little aloe yoga set for, there goes the microwave, for Pilates. But I wanted to show you guys what we ended up buying last night. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, yesterday was not my finest moment. I am gonna be so honest with you guys. Evening grocery shopping, and especially the way that we do it, I was explaining to you guys yesterday in the car that like we are kind of like bulk grocery shoppers when it comes to a lot of our things that we buy. and it can definitely be a lot. I had a migraine yesterday too, so by the time we got home I was like really not in the mood to film it all and show it all to you guys and do a proper haul. So I'm sorry that this grocery haul is not going to be my finest work in terms of grocery hauls. We did end up spending over $500 on groceries. Like I said, that lasts us for a really long time. Also, my boyfriend eats a lot, no offense to him, but yeah, that's just how the cookie crumbles. And we don't eat out as much as like most of the other people that I know, so I guess that's kind of a good thing. Like, it forces us to really eat at home and only go out for special occasions, because we do have so much food in the house. Always got a taste test. Use peanut butter. But yeah, so anyways, long story short, I know you guys want to see the haul, and I'll try my best to show you guys everything that I can remember, but again, we put everything away and half of it's like in the pantry, so you're gonna be like, also, is this gross? Did I just like the spoon out? Whatever. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. That's how we do it. And sorry, it's like a total boob shot of me like bent over trying to mix this oatmeal. Anyways, yeah, so gonna bring him his breakfast. So let's get into the grocery haul. Also, I am finishing up my Chamberlain coffee. Almond milk, not sponsored, but I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's so good. So yeah, let me just show you guys what we have going on. Okay, so this is my Starbucks, but I bought some celery juice, Chobani coffee, then we got these for Frankie. I drink the Owen shakes, but these are actually pretty good. I got a ton of Chobanis. I love to have these with berries for dessert, and like you can crumble some chocolate on, put granola, honey, whatever. These are Frank's yogurts. Then we got a bunch of fruit. We got clementines, apples, lemons, and I think that's all that's in that drawer. Mainly just like citrusy stuff. Then we got a head of lettuce, baby bell peppers, avocados. Some of these are from the farmer's market actually, like these cucumbers and zucchinis. But then we got asparagus, carrots, an onion, spinach I got at the farmer's market, and then I believe there's something else under there. Maybe not, maybe that's it. I've been starting to do my grocery hauls in more of a way where like I make a menu for the week and then we choose what we purchase based on that in terms of fruits and veggies, and I've just started to get the fruits and veggies from the farmer's market. Then I have 2 salmon fillets that are also from Costco that I'm just like defrosting, hummus, these chicken kebabs, what's it called, berries and stuff that I bought from the farmer's market, but then also I have strawberries, eggs, Dave's Killer Bread, these organic English muffins that are so good, egg whites Frankie likes to put in his omelets. This is a staple always. Grillo's pickles are amazing. Plain Greek yogurt that we use as like sour cream or just like we put on everything. I'm obsessed with it. Those are just random. And then we got, what's it called, kombuchas. This is so packed and I don't even want to begin to figure this out, but up here we have like all of Frankie stuff, so it's like easy vegetables and like microwavable meals and pastas and things like that that he can make when I'm like not around, or just like easy meals if we're like in a big hurry. Extra lean ground beef for him to eat as well. Okay, fridge, shut it. And then I have like my leftover salmon fillets in here as well. And then underneath here we have like all the frozen veggies. We always buy like frozen broccoli, then we have like frozen berries underneath there. These are just little egg rolls that we end up picking up that I think would just be like really yummy as like a little appetizer snack situation, like throw them in the air fryer. We got this chicken. He has like sausages underneath there. Oh yeah, back there, you can't really see it, but it's like more ground beef and some of these meatballs, the like Adele's chicken pineapple meatballs. Those are really good. My friend Monica uses them as a meal prep with like rice. We usually put them in pasta. Oh, they're right here. But yeah, those are pretty good. This is kind of boring, but it's literally just like frozen stuff like that. We also buy shrimp and salmon from Costco as well, like wild caught. Then up here we got all these chips. These are the hip peas, like cheesy puff things. These are Siete hint of lime chips. And then these are the lesser evil Himalayan salt popcorns. We got 2 things of rice cakes, Frank loves those. These are so good from Costco. They are the strawberry and yogurt covered pretzels. They're amazing. This is my sourdough bread. He got 2 of these protein bar, whatever flavors, and then some cereal, some honey bunches of oats, and Special K. You guys are probably like, where's the food that you eat? I mean, I eat all of it too, but like, it's mainly for Frank. I eat kind of like boring meals every day. I show you guys what I eat. Then over here, we have like my last remaining tomatoes that didn't fit in the little bin. We have some bananas, more avocados, because Frankie wants to make guac for us, so that'll be really good. So we actually got some like avocados that are not from the farmer's market that we can just mash up. More clementines that we leave out in the fruit bowl. 2 sweet potatoes. I need to put these away. They're just like randomly sitting here, but it's fine. Okay, please do not judge me for the state of this pantry. I know it's really bad. My other one is much better, but whatever. Got some raisins for like oatmeal, and I like to put them in salads and stuff too. A huge thing of organic maple syrup, a bunch of these rice packets, and then these are for Frank, and then the ones that I like, these ones, the seeds of change. I mean, I like the other ones too, but I just prefer brown rice to white rice. And then I also got some peanut butter, and then we got some tea. We got like chai tea and a yogi tea, and I truly can't remember what else we bought. It seems like not a lot for $500, but I'm sure I'm missing stuff, to be honest. Oh my god, this pantry is literally atrocious. A special treat, we got some, see, look at how much nicer this one looks. We got these Milano cookies. These are my stepdad's favorite, and he was obsessed with them. And so we ate some last night to like have a little nightcap and wash away the grumpiness from the day. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really feel like I'm missing stuff that we bought. We also bought like dishwasher tablet thingies and like 2 cases of the almond milk that we drink. It's this one because we go through it so fast. We put it in like everything. But besides that, like I can't really think. We got some vitamins. We got the elderberry vitamins. I'm really trying to think, like I want to give you guys like a what $500 at Costco really gets you. I'm gonna tell you like groceries add up. Like you guys know, if you go grocery shopping, that like stuff adds up. Yeah, I don't know. But like the frozen stuff, we did buy a lot of frozen stuff, and I just don't have the energy personally to go through it all, but I'll give you the general gist. It's a lot of just like frozen fish, frozen beef, frozen veggies, and then like easy, healthier, they're not really healthy because they're obviously processed or whatever, but like healthy is subjective. But for boys, like honestly, I feel like boys can eat whatever. He's gonna kill me when he hears that, but like, he can, honestly, his stomach can take whatever, but like little meals that he can make for himself as well that are just like easy, like microwavable rice and like, I don't know, little like veggie pasta things and whatever, ground beef. So yeah, that's the bulk of it. Those things I think are more expensive, like when you buy like the shrimp and the salmon and the chicken breast. We buy those things in bulk because we keep them forever, and frozen stuff lasts forever. And we were also out of like frozen berries that we use for our smoothies and blah blah blah. So yeah, that's pretty much all we got. But it's gonna last us for like a long time. Like it'll last us at least what's the next month? March? Jesus Christ, how is it already the end of February? I feel like I just paid rent and I have to pay rent again. I also feel like I'm so far from the camera, but like my lens thing, my viewfinder on my camera is broken, so I see everything upside down, so I don't know like how far close I am from you guys. But anyways, I love you all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of random and all over the place, and I'm just keeping it real with you guys that like I was having a rough day yesterday. It started out great, I was like in a good mood, and then all this running around, like I honestly feel like lately I've been so, this isn't even focused on me, bro. Lately I've been so good about listening to my body and like trying to give myself rest and trying to like really take time for myself and to like be alone and get recentered and blah blah blah, and not like if I have something that I can do tomorrow, like I will do it tomorrow. And I know that sounds like against like productivity rules, but like sometimes you just got to do what's right for you. And yesterday was not one of those days. It was just a day that I found myself like in a Tasmanian devil circle. I was just like running around all day, and I know some of you probably have those days every single day, and that's why you're so stressed. And my boyfriend was telling me about that. He's like, you don't have those days that often, so that's probably why it hits you so hard, but like I have those days all the time. And I'm like, dude, now I get why sometimes you're anxious or like grumpy, because geez, it's really hard not to take that out on people around you. Like poor Frank got the real grunt of it yesterday, and like I was just not good. And then my migraine hit me at night, and I was like, oh my God. I woke up with that same migraine this morning. Like I had dreams about having a headache. Anyways, this is all TMI, but that being said, that's why you guys didn't get a proper grocery haul. But next time, if you guys do enjoy seeing what we buy from the store, how much we spend, all of that, I can really break it down for you guys. And if you're curious, I'd be down. I think it'd be fun. But yeah, I love you guys all so much. I am going to take the dog for a walk, do some work, and go to Pilates. But I will see you guys in the next video.